welcome to my channel. The dad was speaking with a broken. All we do was broken. So let's do it again. Okay. What is this? This is horse. What is this? This is goat. What is this? This is cow. What is this? This is donkey. What is this? This is cute sheep. What is this? This is pig. What is this? This is dog. What is this? This is cat. What is this? This is a rooster. What is this? This is hen. What is this? This is cute doggy. This is goose. Okay. The horse says neigh, neigh, and the goat says neigh, neigh. Cow says and the donkey said hey, hey. I think yeah, Sheep said peh, peh. Pig said well, I do that sound too. And dog said woof, woof. We're saying in Punjabi, boo, boo. Yeah. Cat said meow, meow. Sheep and some rooster said hen said and looked like chicken. And the ducky said quack, quack. Goose said quack, quack too.
Really?
Oops, I dropped my pointer.
Oh, it's okay. So which animal do you like?
I like this cute doggy. I just told you it.